Hello everyone, welcome to today's vlog. This is Jemima from Bombital Supplying Agency Private Limited, India. In this vlog, I'll show you how to preset values in dial gauges as well as in Digimatic micrometers, and also I will show you how to change the direction, which will come in handy for applications such as using plunge dial gauge in a bore gauge. First, let's take a digital plunge dial gauge of Mitutoyo. Here we have taken 61.005 mm slip gauge, which will preset in the dial gauge. In order to preset, we must first short press the set button, which will take us to the preset mode. As you can see, the letter P is blinking. Pressing set now will set the current preset value on the dial. In this case, it is 0.000. However, since we want to change this value to 61.005 mm, we must long press the set button to change the value of preset on the dial. To change any value, we must press the mode button, and to go to the next digit, we must press the set button. Here, let's change the value to 61.005. You can also change the sign to minus if your application requires it. For now, we will keep the plus sign and move to the next digit. Once all the digits are changed, the letter P is blinking again. Now we can short press to confirm the preset value. Now let me set the plunge dial gauge to preset the value using a slip gauge. Once the position is set, simply short press the set button, and when the letter P is blinking, press the set button once again to preset the value. Let's check a 70 mm slip gauge. It's 69.999 and our preset value is correct. Now let's see how to change the direction on this dial. To view the menu option, press the mode button. You will see DIR or direction. Pressing the mode button, it will show you the next menu options. As you can see, the options available are direction, tolerance, resolution, calibration and function lock. Since we want to change the direction, we come back to direction and press the set button to enter the direction menu. The letters DIR stops blinking now, which means we have entered the direction menu option. Now we can press the mode button to change the direction, and you can see that a small downward arrow appears, which means the direction is now changed. Press set to confirm. We can now long press the mode button to exit the menu screen and come to the measurement screen. Now our value is decreasing. In the advanced dials of Mitutoyo, the preset and change direction functions are much easier to perform. Let's first preset the value in the dial. First, long press the preset button. Here we can see the options P1, P2 and P3, which means in this dial we can change 3 different preset values. Let's preset the P1 value. While P1 is blinking, we can press the button that corresponds to edit, which is the data button. Now here you can see the center button moves to the next digit, and the peak and data key can be used to increase or decrease the value. Set 61.005 mm. Once we set the desired value, press the button corresponding to exit, and to confirm the value, press the button corresponding to OK. Now the value has been preset. Now let's position the dial, and now to preset, once again long press the preset, and then with the P1 blinking, press the OK button. This will preset the dial to the P1 value. Now let's check a 70 mm slip gauge. Now it's 69.999 and our preset value is correct. In order to change the direction on the dial, simply long press the plus or minus key and you will see a downward arrow on the screen. This means the direction has been changed. As you can see, when I move the plunger up, the value is now decreasing. Lastly, let me show how to preset value in a micrometer. First, short press the preset button. Now we see the letter P blinking. Now long press the preset button to enter preset mode. Now to change any value, simply short press the preset button, else long press the button to move to the next digit. Since our master is 5 mm, let's set 5 mm on the micrometer. Once I have set the last digit, the letter P starts to blink again. Now short press the preset button to confirm the value. Now let's set the master in the micrometer now. After setting the master, I can press preset and with the letter P blinking, press preset again to set the value in this position. I hope this video was informative. I'll meet you in another vlog. Leave your comments below on what topics you would like to see videos on. Subscribe to our channel and also visit our website www.btsa.in.